Thursday, February 21st. So you're going to check on your plants, pollinate them if you have flowers. Keep them at your table because it is data day number 4, which means that in our outcomes, not only do we need to know basic plant anatomy and what plants need to do to reproduce, we need to maintain that growing system, keep them alive, pollinate to keep them reproducing, as well as go back to our inheritance genetics. Our outcomes are met for the day. If you can find those parts on the flower to pollinate, that you actually pollinate them, and that you keep your fast plant system full of water. You record everything in your journal. This is, again, fast plant data number 4. You complete the lessons that are available to you on genetics. So specifically, the agenda means this: pollinate your fast plants. Take fast plant data number 4. The next slide will have the requirements, but they are also posted as number 29 on Classroom. When you're done with that, finish number 28, the DNA model. Make sure your name is on it. There's markers on the back table. There are also bins listed by period that might have yours from yesterday. If not, before you go, make sure your completed model goes in the appropriate bin with your name on it. And then, time willing, move on to number 30 on Classroom, which basically means go into HMH Unit 3 and complete Exploration 2, as well as the hands-on lab modeling genes. Anything that's not finished today will continue until tomorrow. The beads and the cups are on the back table. Please make sure when you're finished they get sorted and returned to the appropriate colored bin. Here is an example again of what it looks like to take proper fast plant data: the date, the height in centimeters, whether there are leaves, whether there are flowers, how much water in milliliters used to refill back to the mark, a detailed illustration or awesome drawing, and a description of interesting things. For example, you might notice that the petals of your flowers might be falling off. Don't worry, that's normal. Those are things you want to note. Again, all these resources are on Classroom, and that is your Thursday.